Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're diving into what we believe are the best boys' jogger shorts on the market. The Children's Place Boys Pull-On Jogger Shorts. If you're looking for comfortable, durable, and stylish shorts for your little one, this product definitely deserves your attention. Right from the start, these jogger shorts impress with their fabric. Made from 100% cotton, they offer breathability and softness, perfect for active boys who need to move freely throughout the day. The cotton fabric is durable enough to withstand playtime, running around, and everyday wear without losing its shape or comfort. One of the standout features of these shorts is the pull-on closure. This design makes it incredibly easy for kids to wear them without any hassle. No buttons, no zippers, just pull them on and go. Plus, they come with inner adjustable waist tabs, allowing a customizable fit that adapts as your child grows or for added comfort. This means no more worrying about shorts being too tight or slipping down during play. The styling is both functional and trendy. The shorts include front-side slant pockets and back patch pockets, providing plenty of space for little treasures, snacks, or even small toys. These pockets are well constructed and add a casual yet put-together look, making these shorts versatile for both school uniforms and casual outings. The product comes in a convenient 3-pack with a mix of colors: fin gray, flax, and tidal. This gives you great value and variety without the need to buy multiple individual pairs. The shorts are machine washable, which is a must-have for any kid's clothing, making cleanup simple and fast. In terms of sizing, they offer a broad range from size 4 to 18. Including options like husky fits, so you can find the perfect match for your child's build. These shorts are imported but crafted with care by the Children's Place, a brand known for quality children's apparel. To sum it up, these jogger shorts check all the boxes: comfortable cotton fabric, easy pull-on design with adjustable fit, practical pockets, and stylish colors, all at a price point that reflects excellent value, especially when purchased as a pack. Whether it's for playdates, school, or just everyday adventures, these shorts are designed to keep up with energetic boys while looking great. If you're in the market for dependable, comfortable, and easy-to-wear jogger shorts for boys, the Children's Place Boys Pull-On Jogger Shorts are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.